I'll show you in this video how I made this delicious okra stew. Making an okra stew has been one soup I've always wanted to make in the longest time, so today I decided to make it a reality. So making this okra stew, I used quite a number of ingredients which I'll be leaving in the description box below for you guys. I seasoned the meat. I'm making the soup with some kpomo and beef, so I seasoned the meat with salt, seasoning cubes, and the onions. When you're making okra stew or even ogbono soup, you don't have to add in so much spices. Amoyu soup does not need a lot of spices. So guys, watch the video to the end and don't forget to like the video, give the video a huge thumbs up, and share the video with your friends and family. So here I have some dry fish, mangala fish and panla fish. So this panla fish is a very sweet fish, but it has lots of bones, so ensure to, if you are going to use it, ensure to debone very well. So after that, checking back on the meat is all done, so I'll go ahead now and add the stockfish to allow the stockfish to cook and allow the taste of the meat and stockfish to incorporate well together. I prepped the okra by slicing the okra into very tiny bits. Feel free to grate your okra, feel free to blend your okra with some water to make it more slimy, or even cooking the okra with baking soda to make it very slimy. Do what you prefer, guys. And after the prep, checking back on the meat, I also added this dry fish to also cook and allow the taste of all the meats I'm using in meat and fish to incorporate well together. In another pot, I'll add in some red oil and allow this oil to heat up, and go ahead now to add in some chopped onions, which I'll fry for about 3 minutes. After that, I will go ahead now and add all the tomato and the blended pepper. I'll pour them in and fry them for about 8 minutes or more, or until the tomato and the pepper does not taste raw. I'll go ahead now also to fry this crayfish for about 1 minute. I'll add also the locust bean, and fry the tomato for another 2 minutes before adding the meat stock together with the meat, which I'll allow to cook and start boiling. I'll allow it to come to a boil, then after which I'll go in and add all the sliced okra. You guys, this soup is it tasted so nice and so delicious. If you've not cooked okra stew, you should go and make it for your family. They will enjoy it. Use this recipe and prepare it for your family, and you will never go wrong in that. I'll allow the okra to cook for about 1 minute or 2 minutes, and I'll add the remaining crayfish which I reserved earlier, and add all the ugu and the uziza leaves. Guys, uziza leaf, the aroma of uziza leaf in this soup was nice. I went ahead also and added some chopped onions, which is what I always do whenever I'm cooking bonnet okra soup or any vegetable soup. And finally, I'm adding the prawn and the prawns and the shrimps, which I also use in cooking this soup. So I'll allow everything to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, and guys, our soup is ready. Delicious okra stew is ready. So thank you so much for watching this video up to now. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any of my cooking episodes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give the video a huge thumbs up and share the video. See you in my next video. Bye.